Today, we're building an AI server in my house. Let's get into it. Alright, so the goal is to build a rack-mounted home server that can handle local AI, security cameras, Docker containers, storage, networking, and eventually become a full home lab setup. I'm going to document the entire thing, start to finish, and when it's complete, the goal is to be a mini data center in my house. Now listen, I've never built a PC before. This is going to be my first time ever trying it. I'm going to make a lot of mistakes. But that's the point, right? My goal is to learn. And I'm going to show the full process, all the parts that I choose, why I chose them, what works, what doesn't work, what I would do differently, and exactly how much everything costs. I'm sure you know PC prices are out of control. So a lot of these parts that I bought are used, some are new. I'm going to share all my thoughts on what I would buy again new or what I would buy again used. So let's get into the parts. So for the CPU, what I chose is a Ryzen 9 7900X. And this has 12 cores and 24 threads. And it's going to be plenty for what I need, especially for a local AI. The GPU is an EVGA 3090 and is packing 24 gigs of VRAM. The motherboard that I picked is an MSI Mag X670E. The RAM that I picked up is G.Skillflare's X5, 32 gigs of DDR5, and this is at 6,000 megatransfers. Now on to cooling. I chose the Noctua NH-U12A with adding 3 additional fans. I got 2 terabytes of WD Black NVMe SSD M.2 Gen 4. And also I got 16 terabytes of SATA with a Seagate Exos X16. I went with a Thermaltake GF3 1350 watt PSU. Everything is going to be wrapped up in my rack mounted case. This is a Silverstone RM44 and it takes up 4U. And the small server rack I picked up from Amazon. It is a open frame 15U Evor. In the next episode, we're going to be putting all these PC parts together and seeing if we can get the BIOS to boot. Check it out.